So it turns out Spotify doesn't want to play distributor. I don't know if you guys knew this, but last year, rewind all the way to September 2018, Spotify announced you'd be able to upload natively to their platform for free. You'd be able to upload your music and appear on Spotify and be an earning artist via their artist platform. And that was a big move. It was a really big thing. It was something that a lot of other platforms had struggled with. And they were looking to basically challenge and take away some of the distribution and control elements and bring those over. So Spotify was like the #1 shining beacon. It had been like 10 months roundabout, and there's no sign. Like this beta, the access was there, the artist profiles were there. There was a huge chunk of people who could upload their music to Spotify via their artist accounts, but it's now official. It's been killed. You're gonna have to continue looking for a distributor. So the free method to get on Spotify is kind of gone. There's still the free distributor option of Amuse, and there's probably another one out there that I can't think of right now. But yeah, I've covered Amuse, put amuse.io into YouTube. Not the best T's and C's in the world. So distribution effectively staying the same despite Spotify acquiring a big chunk of DistroKid. DistroKid are still going to be functioning like they were previously. Now, if you were one of these artists who have been distributing your music via Spotify to the Spotify platform, it looks like at this time you're just going to be able to keep that music up and keep a DistroKid account rolling, and that'll be you in good stead. Equally, if you're going through the methods that I use for Spotify playlists and Spotify via DistroKid and get it submitted, your artist profiles look like they're staying there. It looks like DistroKid's still going to be having access to those as well. So all in all, if you were already using a distributor, you're in good stead. If you were distributing via Spotify and that was your free method and you were using that to get momentum, looks like that's being culled and you're going to lose access to it in the next couple of months, and have a look at a distributor instead. But yeah, just an interesting turn. It makes a lot of sense that Spotify have done this financially. Like I said this before when it initially came around, like being a distributor, there's a reason they charge, because the admin side of it's huge. And like if you're going out to the different platforms, you've got to hit certain standards with certain platforms, and your music's got to hit certain standards as well. If you send a WAV file that isn't right, for example, upon conversion, it's not going to sound great on different platforms. That has to get vetted. Your artwork gets vetted. If you've got stock imagery, iTunes won't vet you, but Deezer will, for example. Super pain in the backside. So Spotify taking this all on when, frankly, they're not a profitable company already, free of charge, was an interesting move. So it makes a lot of sense that they've rewound it, but no worries. Eventually someone will get this right. Thank you for listening, guys. I hope it was helpful. I hope I've not panicked you. Your music is going to be fine. Just make sure you use a distributor for the time being. I'm still with DistroKid, no intention of changing. I will see you guys on the next video.